I used AI to create 100 product mock-ups, and today I'm testing how many will actually sell. I typed in some keywords and boom, our AI generated everything from mugs to t-shirts to phone cases in minutes. Look at these cool designs. Now I'm putting them up for sale on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble. Let's see if people buy them. After 1 week, some sold out fast, like this phone case, 15 sold. But some, well, not so much. So, AI works, but the secret to selling? Unique designs that speak to your audience. Lesson learned. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what I should try next. Analyzing the sales data, I noticed that products with unique, eye-catching designs performed the best. It's crucial to research market trends and understand what your target audience is looking for. Also, optimizing your product listings with detailed descriptions and high-quality images can make a big difference. Engaging with your customers and responding to their feedback helps build trust and can boost sales. With these insights, I'm excited to create more AI-generated products and see how they perform. Stay tuned for more updates.